my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make Indian ginger tea. Now, if you're someone who likes spicy beverages, this is going to be the tea for you. Obviously, ginger in and of itself is a spicy tea and a spicy herb, but in order to make it Indian, we're going to add a few extra spices to this beverage, and you're going to find yourself enjoying this greatly. First, what you're going to want to do is take some cinnamon, and we're going to just place dashes of these spices in the bottom of your teacup, just a dash or two. Then we're going to take some black pepper, and again we're going to place a dash or two, just a little bit of that in there. And lastly, we're going to take some nutmeg and put a dash in there in the bottom. Once we've done that, we're then ready to get started brewing our tea. First, you're going to want to take your tea kettle and fill it up with some cold water. Take the tea kettle and place it on your stove, turning your stove on high. Once you have it on that high heat, you're going to give it time for it to heat up and come to a complete boiling point. Once it's at the boiling point, you can then remove it from your stove. We're then going to take our tea bag out of its wrapper, and we're going to place it directly into our serving cup. Now, today we're using an 8-ounce serving cup, but you could use one tea bag for up to 12 ounces of hot water. Once that's in there, we're then going to take our boiling water and we're going to pour it over top of the tea bag. Now, it's important that you do submerge the tea bag fully so that this initial heat is able to extract the contents that's in the tea bag appropriately. You're going to want to leave some room at the top here, about an inch or an inch and a half of room, just because we are using boiling water, and you're going to want to leave some room in case you do want to add some cream or sugar later on. And then we're just going to let the tea bag sit in the hot water for a few minutes. After the ginger tea bag has sat in that hot water for about 2 to 4 minutes, we're then going to remove it from the hot water. Now, you're going to leave the rest of the spices in the water, so as you drink them, you're definitely going to get some spice going down your throat and over your palate. Again, if you're looking for a spicy drink, you're someone who really enjoys drinking exotic drinks, then this is the one for you. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make Indian ginger tea. Enjoy.